Retirement might seem like a lifetime away, but the earlier you start planning, the more financially secure and enjoyable your golden years will be. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to retirement planning. In this video, I'm going to share powerful strategies to help you create a solid retirement plan and ensure your financial independence. So, are you ready to take control of your future? Let's dive in. Time is money, especially when it comes to retirement planning. The earlier you start, the more time you have to build a substantial nest egg. It's not just about how much money you save, but how much time you give your money to grow. Time allows your investments to mature and multiply. The magic of compounding is the key. When you invest early, your money earns interest, and that interest earns interest, creating a snowball effect. This compounding can significantly boost your savings over time. The earlier you start, the bigger that snowball will be when it's time for you to retire. For example, investing $100 a month at age 25 could grow to over $1 million by 65. Starting early also gives you a head start on dealing with unexpected bumps like inflation and healthcare costs. These can erode your savings if not planned for. When you start early, you build a buffer to absorb those unexpected costs. This financial cushion can provide peace of mind. Don't let procrastination steal your comfortable retirement. Start planning today, and let the magic of compounding work its wonders. Your future self will thank you for the foresight and discipline. Now that you understand the power of starting early, let's break down the practical steps to create your retirement roadmap. This journey is all about making informed decisions and taking consistent actions to secure your future. First, get clear about your retirement dreams. What does your ideal retirement look like? Write down your vision. Do you see yourself traveling the world, spending time with family, or perhaps pursuing a new hobby or passion? Next, consider your expenses, from housing and healthcare to travel and entertainment. It's important to be realistic and thorough in your estimations to avoid any surprises down the road. There are online calculators and financial advisors who can help you estimate this crucial number. These tools can provide a clearer picture of what you'll need to save to maintain your desired lifestyle. Now, let's talk about where to put your money to work. It's not just about saving, it's about growing your savings through smart investments. Employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401(k)s are a great place to start. These plans often come with tax advantages and employer contributions. Contribute enough to get the full employer match. It's free money. This can significantly boost your retirement savings over time. And don't forget about individual retirement accounts, IRAs. These accounts offer additional tax benefits and can be a great supplement to your employer-sponsored plan. Traditional IRAs offer tax-deductible contributions, while Roth IRAs provide tax-free withdrawals during retirement. Understanding the differences can help you choose the best option for your situation. Choose the one that aligns with your financial situation. It's important to consider your current tax bracket and future income expectations. Now, let's talk about investing your retirement savings. The goal is to grow your nest egg while managing risk. Diversify your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate to manage risk and maximize returns. Diversification helps protect your portfolio from market volatility. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your retirement accounts each month. This ensures you consistently save without having to think about it. Factor in rising costs like inflation and healthcare when planning your retirement budget. These costs can significantly impact your savings if not accounted for. Consider long-term care insurance options as you get closer to retirement. This can help cover the costs of assisted living or in-home care, providing peace of mind. Prioritize paying down any outstanding high-interest debt before aggressively saving for retirement. Reducing debt can free up more money for your retirement savings. Lastly, consider diversifying your income streams for retirement. This could include part-time work, investments, or even starting a small business. Multiple streams of income can provide financial security and peace of mind during your golden years. By planning ahead and making informed decisions, you can enjoy a fulfilling and worry-free retirement. Let's talk about some common retirement planning mistakes that can derail even the best plans. Planning for retirement is a crucial step in ensuring a comfortable and secure future, but it's easy to make mistakes along the way. The biggest mistake is not starting early enough. Many people underestimate the power of starting early and the benefits it can bring. Remember the magic of compounding? It's the process where your investment earnings generate their own earnings, creating a snowball effect over time. The longer you wait, the harder it will be to catch up. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to building a substantial retirement fund. Even if you can only spare a small amount each month, start now and let time work its magic. Consistent contributions, no matter how small, can grow significantly over the years. Another common mistake is underestimating your retirement expenses. It's easy to overlook the true cost of living in retirement. Factor in inflation, healthcare costs, travel, and any other expenses you might have. These costs can add up quickly and impact your retirement savings. It's better to overestimate than to be caught short later on. Planning for a higher budget can provide a cushion for unexpected expenses. Don't underestimate the potential costs of long-term care as you age. Long-term care can be a significant financial burden if not planned for properly. Explore long-term care insurance options to protect your retirement savings. This can help cover the costs of care and preserve your savings for other needs. Don't rely solely on Social Security for your retirement income. Social Security benefits may not be enough to cover all your expenses. Plan for your retirement as if Social Security won't exist, and if it's still around, consider it a bonus. This approach ensures you have enough savings to support yourself. Avoid withdrawing from your retirement accounts early. Early withdrawals can significantly reduce your retirement savings. Cashing out your 401k or IRA before retirement age comes with hefty penalties and taxes. These penalties can erode your savings quickly. Treat your retirement accounts like the sacred savings vehicles they are. Protect them and let them grow until you truly need them. Don't be afraid to invest your retirement savings, but don't be reckless either. A balanced approach to investing can yield better results. Avoid chasing risky investments or timing the market. These strategies can lead to significant losses. Focus on a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds for steady long-term growth. Diversification helps spread risk and can lead to more stable returns. Review and adjust your retirement plan regularly. Life changes, and so should your retirement plan. As your life changes, marriage, children, career changes, your retirement needs will change too. Stay proactive and adjust your plan accordingly. Make it a habit to review and adjust your plan annually to stay on track. Regular reviews can help you stay aligned with your goals. Avoid these common mistakes, and you'll be well on your way to a comfortable and secure retirement. With careful planning and regular adjustments, you can achieve the retirement of your dreams. Retirement planning is a marathon, not a sprint. By starting early and following these steps, you can ensure a comfortable and financially secure future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial tips. See you in the next video.